Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting of the day. Hi everybody, good to see you. Hopefully we are in good health and safe during COVID-19 pandemic and we can pass through this pandemic period immediately and we can resume our activities as before. I am Imran, live in Sia as a master educated management from Riau University. My current job as an executive business planner and control with more than 10 years of initiating, delivering sustained result and effective change for non-profit industry. I have also prior experience in planning, controlling and leading 7 APC projects for more than 15 years, direct and lead team with common goals and vision, delivering projects safely, on time, on budget and comply to project quality. Sample achievement in my current job including but not limited to enhance and implement new strategies and policies. So the vision of PIPE mission with executive partner to establish, achieve short, medium and long-term more than 100 business objectives. Composed and controlled budget proven by successfully reduce 10% of overhead costs. My position as my prior experience as project planner and control, procurement manager including site manager for more than 6 years, as project control manager, field business manager including site manager for more than 5 years, as progress controlling and payment supervisor for 2 years, as assistant cost controller supervisor for 1 year, as project cost accounting for 1 year. The project kind of project scope including piping, pipeline and piping on plant, civil, concrete supply, steel structure and other supporting civil work, mechanical including construction equipment rental, maintenance and services. The project spread over Indonesia, starting from Bontang, East Kalimantan, Cilegon, West Java, Gresik, Lumajang, East Java, Juri, Riau, Jambi and Maranhão, South Sumatra, with the contract value ranging from 2.5 up to 3.5 billion rupees and change orders ranging from 1.5 up to 2.5. Sample achievement with this construction industry. Delivered project under budget by 10%, reduced labor costs by 5% and reduced office overhead costs by 10%. Increased project profit by 15%, should field notice, change orders and other additional works. Won 7 safety awards for the company, received client recommendation letter and the company appreciation certificates. My hobbies are traveling. Other than as repressing, the most major is making me more thanking for all creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Almighty. Learning a foreign language, other than it's fun for me, make me easy to communicate with foreign people and at all time in working relation. Active on LinkedIn social media. Through LinkedIn, I have many connections with people in related field, sharing science and experience, published numerous posts and got many recognition. Sample of my volunteer experience as implementer of social service of people care to higher organization organized by LSM MPKS in Sia, Riau, as mentor of English coaching at junior high school number 1 in Sia, Riau. My training and certification, several LinkedIn online courses for several project management case, leading project, project integration, technical, project, schedule, budget, construction change order management, language and technology skill, having trilingual proficiency, English, proven by TOEFL certificate with grade 503, Indonesian and Malay, familiar with Microsoft application, Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, Microsoft Project, cost breakdown structure and work breakdown structure, SPSS version 25.0. Those my brief profile, and I look forward to find the next stage. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.